Hi, I'm Jacob Wersch, Product Manager for Lincoln Electric, and today I'm with the POWER MIG 262MP multi-process welder. Today I'm going to talk about how to save and access memories, which is one of the best features on this machine. To save a memory, you're simply going to take your weld settings that you want, whether it's wire feed speed, or trim, or your voltage output, and then any advanced settings as well that include timing, such as your spot timer, your post-flow or pre-flow. All of those are going to save in the memory as well. You're going to go to Memory Setup, which is a single click. You're going to select an empty slot, and you're simply going to push and hold to save a new memory. To access a memory from the home screen, you'll once again go to Memory Setup. You'll select the memory you want, and you'll simply just push to select. Each weld process has 10 different slots for memories. So you've got 10 for MIG, for stick, TIG, and flux core, which makes it easy to bounce around your most frequently used or your favorite weld settings. For more information on our advanced settings or on this machine, feel free to visit us at lincolnelectric.com.